I spent months lifting the same weights, wondering why nothing changed. Nobody told me this. Every single week I showed up to the gym. Same dumbbells, same routine, same everything. I thought consistency was enough. I thought showing up was the whole secret. But my body had figured me out. It stopped being challenged. It just coasted. That is called a fitness plateau, and almost every beginner hits it without knowing why. Your muscles are smart. Once they learn a movement, they stop growing from it. They only grow when they are forced to do something harder than what they already know. That is the entire idea behind progressive overload, and it changed everything for me. Progressive overload means you gradually increase the demand you place on your muscles. It does not mean you destroy yourself every session. Small steps are the whole point. 1 extra rep this week, a slightly heavier weight next week, 1 more set the week after. Each tiny increase tells your muscles the old effort is not enough anymore. And your body responds by rebuilding itself a little stronger each time. I started tracking my lifts and adding just a little more each week. The results shocked me. Strength I had not seen in months came back. Then it went past where I had ever been. The plateau was not a dead end. It was just a sign I had stopped pushing forward. If your progress has stalled, you do not need a new program. You need to raise the bar. Start small, stay consistent, and keep adding a little more. Your future self will thank you.